Yes, sir. So today we will talk about the first assignment, which is of business research and value chain analysis. I will be today talking about London Drugs, and basically a brief introduction about this is it. London Drugs is a Canadian-owned retail market, and which it was established in 1945. Currently, it has its headquarters in Richmond, British Columbia, and it has its spread across various domains, be it pharmacy, a retail store, or cosmetics, or even tech centers. That being said, now in this digital era, it has developed from brick and mortar traditional market into an omni-channel retail. A great amount of credit goes to digital transformation that you will see for moving ahead. The key parameters that revolve around the technology is um, um, resource planning enterprise and customer relations management. Uh, we said we'll now talk about how the business works. So it is divided into different aspects. First, we'll talk about procurement and sourcing. So the company relies on certified suppliers, which are fully adhering. This suppliers adhere to Canadian rules and regulations. Now, this is true for all different all different aspects, be it pharmacy, be it cosmetics or retail. Now, the procurement is relying upon a digital supply portals and making sure that the supply contracts are in long term. This makes sure that there is a steady consistency in quality of goods served to the customers. Now, the regular sustainability checks are done when it comes to the suppliers to make sure that they're adhering to proper supplier standards or not. That being said, we'll move ahead and talk about inbound logistics. Now, the key technology here is about technology of barcodes and technology of RFID scanning. Now, these are incorporated in all the goods that are being transported from the sources to various and received by various distribution centers, and then thereby to the retail outlets. Now, this ensures that there is a proper accuracy in tracking and furthermore, that in-house ERP system makes sure that this tracking is real-time in nature, and this also facilitates automatic restocking. So this is a brief about inbound logistics. Now, talking about our operations, so the data taken from the point of sale system, the data, and also from the loyalty program that Drugs has, uh, that is incorporated with artificial intelligence to make sure that the sales are predicted proper as efficient as possible. The sales and this is to make sure that there is very less amount of understocking or overstocking happening. This is also applicable for pharmacy. Also, when we talk about pharmacy, it has its digital mode of management system of patient records. The verification of the prescriptions is done digitally as well. So this also adheres to digital security and making sure that everything happening online is aligning properly to the Canadian healthcare standards. Moving ahead, we talk about outbound logistics. Now, in outbound logistics, the key factor here is omni-channel delivery system. So, customer can order from one delivery channel and can receive in another delivery channel as well. So, it has a same-day delivery system. Even in remote side, the London Ducks have partnership with courier services, Canada Post then, so basically, this hybrid management of delivery system has yeah, a buy online and have a pickup at a store option as well. So everything combined with real-time tracking, of course, make sure that the customer gets a proper convenience and the customer goods are properly delivered in optimized sense. So this reduces the lead times, I would say, and also supports the organization of a low emission distribution goal, which the company also takes care of it. And talking about marketing and sales. So there are different modes the company markets its goods through which. Now, first I would say is a social media channel, its own website, then the kiosk platform, basically the flyers. So everything combined along with the personalized offers given at the London Drugs app, which is LD Extras loyalty program. This basically integrating everything, make sure that the marketing and sales enhances the customer engagement as much as possible. And it is an iterative, continuous process, making sure that the marketing platform is improving as regularly as possible. Talking about the customer service, so the London does differentiate itself among different retailers with the key factor of multi-channel customer support. Then there's a online support of 24/7. Because it also has a tech support. Then the pharmacy consultation given. So and also with all these different domains, it has its digital survey feedbacks, which is fed into the CRM analytics. Everything combining, making sure that the managers have all the possible different parameters to improve the customer service. Now, part two. Now, talking about the primary and secondary factors. So the first primary factor is inbound logistics. Now, the key here is ERP and RFID tracking, which is real time in nature. And this can be linked to operation department uh, and procurement department. Talking about operations here, so operations has a key feature of artificial intelligence for proper forecasting of goods, and then the point of sale system for insight of the data analytics, and this can be bridged to the technology development and HR training modules. Talking about the outbound logistics, omni-channel fulfillment is one. Then the route is optimized with specific algorithms. Then the real-time shipment tracking is done. So everything combines and links to enhanced or better marketing and a proper service for tracking support. Now, talking about and sales, so the key here is the CRM-based the LD Extras delivery software, and alongside that, it has a tracking email and social media ads to be given, then in-store skinnies or kiosk flyers. So that being said, this enhances customer engagement, and it can be directly linked with the technology. And technology is basically used to gain the CRM insights and facilitate better HR training. Talking about the services, pharmacy consultations support 24/7 online chat support is given. So this increases the overall loyalty of the customers to the brand, and this can be easily tied to the operations department and the technology. Now, talking about the secondary factors, the support activity. Here, the form is infrastructure is first, where here what happens is basically ERP and CRM technology integrates across different departments, making sure there's a sustainability and compliance in action, and the financial and data governance policies are properly followed. It can be directly linked to all the primary activities with the help of real-time data and strategy planning. Talking about the human resource, here the continuous digital training modules are given. Virtual POS and CRM modules are given proper, basically proper certifications are there with this ones, and then proper acknowledgement and rewards are given to the employees for progression of their careers. So this, in short, connects directly to the better operations and services of the customers. Talking about the technology here. So the technology has AI forecasting technique, data analytics from the POS system, that the e-commerce platform, which is LD Extra, and the mobile software, such as LD Extra's app, and talking about cyber security and data privacy, especially when it comes to pharmacy. So this directly links to the company's operations and its marketing work. Talking about the procurement. Now, procurement is basically digitalization of the vendor management system is first, long-term contracts with the suppliers, then the continuous evaluation of the performance of the suppliers. This directly embeds with the inbound logistics of primary activity and the infrastructure for audit and supplier management. That being said, in conclusion, the London Trust is a prime example how it has changed or transformed itself into a better position with the help of digital transformation. It has used a technology of ERP, AI, and CRM and merged properly to enhance the supply chain, its operations, its HR, and the customer service. So this is basically a prime example how it has grown itself into a better competitor in the market. Thank you so much.